Tigers and marine life are two very different groups of animals, but they both play important roles in their ecosystems. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. They are apex predators, which means they are at the top of the food chain. Tigers are important for keeping the population of other animals in check.
Tigers and marine life. Tigers are the largest cat in the world. They are apex predators, which means they are top of the food chain. Tigers are important for keeping the population of other animals in check. Marine life includes all the plants and animals that live in the ocean. This includes everything from tiny plankton to huge whales. Marine life is also important for keeping the ocean healthy.
Tigers and marine life dangerous. 1. Habitat loss. Tigers are losing their habitat to deforestation and development. Marine life is losing its habitat to pollution and overfishing. Number 2. Poaching. Tigers are poached for their fur, bones, and other body parts. Marine life is overfished for food and other products. Next is the climate change. Climate change is causing the Earth's temperature to rise, which is harming both tigers and marine life.
Tigers and marine life are both important to the ecosystem. They are both facing threats from humans. We need to work to protect tigers and marine life so that they can continue to thrive.
Tigers and marine life are connected in a place like the Sandbanks, where tigers live in mangrove forests. These forests are home to many fish and crabs, and tigers help keep ecosystem healthy. Healthy mangroves also protect marine life. Tigers protect the balance by being top predator. Tigers help maintain the balance of mangrove ecosystem.